Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have some swatches and some nail art using P2 polishes. P2 Cosmetics just released a few new polishes in their Techno Chrome collection, and I don't have all of them, but I do have a few to share with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. The first polish is called Blue Ice, and this is a blue metallic chrome polish. So here's the first coat of Blue Ice, and it covered completely on the first coat, but you do have to be careful of brush strokes. So here is one coat of Blue Ice. This next polish is called Mauve Mist, and this is a pink metallic chrome polish. This is very similar to Blue Ice in that it's opaque in one coat and there are brush strokes that you have to be careful of. I love the wide brush of these polishes, but I did get quite a bit of polish around my skin. So here is one coat of Mauve Mist. So this next polish is called Galaxy, and this is a shimmery polish that shifts from green to purple. It's kind of different than the other two in that it's not super metallic, but it definitely has a lot of shimmer in it. I needed 2 coats for full opacity. This one also dried quite shiny, unlike the previous two. So here is 2 coats of Galaxy. This next polish is called Back to Black, and this is a shiny black polish. At first I was a bit hesitant with this polish because when I first applied it, it was more like a jelly formula and it wasn't very opaque, but it builds up perfectly in 2 coats and you're left with a super glossy finish. One other thing I wanted to mention is that I felt that this polish had a much stiffer brush than the Techno Chrome polishes. Here is 2 coats of Back to Black. And finally, this is P2's Ultimate Matte Top Coat. As you can see, this brush is much skinnier than the other polishes I had shown, and when I first opened the bottle there were actually some loose bristles from the brush, so I wish they had used the wider brush. But here is 1 coat of the Ultimate Matte Top Coat over Back to Black. And in this shot you can see the difference between the matte top coat over Back to Black and Back to Black on its own. And now onto some nail art. I'm going to be doing a matte dry brush look using these polishes. I'm going to start with 2 coats of Back to Black topped with the Ultimate Matte Top Coat. Then I'm going to be applying Edge Perfection all around my nail for easy cleanup. Then I'm going to scrape off all the excess polish from the brush of Blue Ice and sweep it onto my nail. I think these metallic chrome polishes look so beautiful over matte black. I'm going to repeat this step using Mauve Mist and Galaxy. And finally, I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection using a pair of tweezers. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Overall, I do like this collection. They are super affordable and they have really nice brushes with the exception of the Ultimate Matte Top Coat. I love the Ultimate Matte Top Coat. I just wish they had a better brush in it. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with some swatches and some nail art. And if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you missed my last video, you can watch it by clicking your screen or the link in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!